Hello, we're going to do a second question now, and we are going to find the radius of a softball given its volume. So the volume of a softball was calculated to be 125 over 6 pi cubic inches. Again, if you wanted to simplify that and get a closer estimation of the amount of space inside in cubic inches, you would do 125 divided by 6 times about 3.14, and it would give you a closer approximation. This is an exact answer. Imagine if you were to cut this softball into 2 hemispheres, and you would measure the diameter of the circular base you would create. Okay, so imagine you cut the softball into 2 hemispheres and you measured the diameter of the circular base and took half of that. It would tell you what the radius is, but I don't want to cut my softball into 2 halves and measure, so I'm just going to work backwards. Okay, so again, we're going to take the formula, which you have on page 350, and you're going to write it down. Second step, you're going to substitute for the volume. What we tell you the volume is 125 over 6 pi, and then I just write the formula using pi symbol because the pi symbol is in the original question. Okay, next step, remember we're going to divide both sides by pi to eliminate the pi symbol. Okay, and we're down to 125 divided by 6 or by 6 equals 4/3 times radius cubed. Okay, we're going to do a little estimation after this. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, just like I've been doing all along. This is going to cancel out because any number times its reciprocal, it turns into 1. And we have the radius cubed. Okay, so now if you can recall back from, I guess, 6th grade, to multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across. So you're going to do 3 times 125, 375, 4 times 6, 24. Okay, now I can't take the cubed root of either number, so I'm going to simplify this and estimate the radius. So I'm going to do 375 divided by 24, and I'm going to get an estimate, and we're going to round. So it came out to about 15.625. I'm going to just round that to 16. Okay, so the radius cubed is 16, so I'm going to estimate. Oops, sorry. Let me move this up. Let's see. There you go. Okay, I'm going to take the cubed root. Okay, and I'm going to take the cubed root of 16, which is approximately 2.5 rounded to the 10ths. And that is my answer. So if I wanted to know what the radius of a softball is, halfway across, the diameter would be 5 of the inside of the softball, and the radius would be 2.5. Okay, hopefully you watched that because you have this problem today in your classwork, and for those of you that watched my video, you have the answer there. Have a nice day. Oh, it's 2.5 inches.